Okay, so this is a post-market hours tape I'm recording. What you're looking at right here is a playback of my live activity earlier today. So look in the bottom right corner. You see that 12:18 p.m.? That is the time that I was running this playback. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play on this playback, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened between 12:18 p.m. and to the close of the market, and what the results were to my GARS Superball dummy test filter. Dummy test on the filter. GAR just sent me this filter. He didn't give me any of the winning strategies for it. The idea of this exercise was for me to just play it like a dummy, not knowing what I'm doing, and see what happens. So the first stock I purchased was GMCR in paper trade, so that shows there. I also went ahead and got Netflix, so let's move forward in time. This is gonna be a time lapse. I'm gonna go very fast to try to condense the 45 minutes. Next stock that came up in the filter was Baidu. I really like Baidu. Baidu is gets the ninth most traffic of any website on the World Wide Web. Let's go forward in time some more. 5:30. Okay. As you can see, I've got Netflix, GMCR, and Baidu. Now I'm buying JOSB. That came up on GAR's filter as well. Gonna move. Also, I want to show you in the bottom right corner. It's now 12:26 p.m. in real time. Now it's 12:28. So let's keep moving forward in time. Keep in mind this is happening. So now we're going to 6:44. Okay, now it's 12:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. as you can see, and I've got my 4 stocks, and I'm up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to the next tape. Now we're starting. Now it's 13 minutes later. It's 12:43 p.m. We've got a little bit of gains. I've been holding on to the same stocks, the same purchase prices. I added on a few more shares of GMCR Netflix. So here we go. Up total gain 0.31%. This is at 12:43 p.m. Let's go forward in time again. So right here, I'm looking at GMCR, and it's spiked up quite a bit, and right now I'm thinking about taking profits in GMCR. So you see that. The time for that is 12:48 p.m. Let's go to 3. Okay, now it's 12:51 p.m. Now I'm looking to sell Netflix, and all of these started spiking up in the last 10 to 13 minutes of the close. I wasn't able to hit the top peak of any of the spikes. In fact, GMCR I got out too soon. I would have had more gains. Netflix I did a pretty decent job. Baidu I got out near the peak. So that basically I sort of skipped over. So there's Netflix. I executed at $200.32. Let's go forward some more. Okay, so I've sold Baidu and JOSB. That brings us. Let's open up PowerScan. Okay, so as you can see, for the 45-minute day trading, I had a 0.69% total gain. Here's the individual trades, and basically I just did this exercise to show as an example that I used this filter as a winner. Keep in mind the market was down, and I really didn't know exactly what I was doing. So in the end it worked out. I'm pretty happy with how it worked out. GMCR was the big winner. So that'll conclude this session. I'll try to expand on this more. This was a first time thing, so I'll try to do a better job of in detail of going over my actual decisions in real time next time. But for this time, as you can see, 0.69% total gain. There were 6 total stocks that I found that I traded from that filter, GAR's Superball. There were more stocks that came up in the filter, but these are the ones that I was able to fit in my portfolio. Okay, so this is Devin at garsworld.com signing off.